Hi, my name's Brooklyn Nesbitt. I live in El Dorado, Arkansas, which is about 45 minutes from Monticello. I currently work at an elementary school here. It's called Hugh Goodwin, and I'm a parapro. And this is my first school job, and I love it. I love it so much. This is my second week, and I had Sunday training this week in Camden. So I haven't been there 2 days this week, but I'll go back tomorrow. But I love it. It's really, I worked as a secretary for my mom at a tree service in El Dorado, and my mom worked there, and the owner was a really good friend of ours, and I just worked the front desk, and I have been going to school and working at the same time. It's really nice. So this is a different change for me. I'll be going to I call it a real job because I can't sit there and do my homework all day, and coming home and having to do homework. I'm 22. My birthday's next month on the 15th. I'll be 23. I have a 1-year-old little boy named Colt. I've been engaged for probably 4.5 years now. I keep putting him off, telling him that I want to finish school first, so one day. But I love kids. I love dogs. I used to work at the Pottery House on the square. That was my mom's business inside of Main Street Antiques, and I love to paint. I love to paint pottery. I love to make stuff. I love antiques. I love everything. I love to be outside. I love to go to the lake. I love to camp. And I love my little boy so very much. He's my best friend. I have a really good relationship with my mom. She's my best friend. Really wouldn't be here without her. The reason I want to be a teacher, when I first saw that question, I was like, well, I love kids. I love education. I love learning. I love to read. I love to write. I'm a people person, so you're around people all day. And I love that. But I got to thinking about the question. I wrote it last night, and I was going to make my video, but I wanted to think a little longer on that question. And so I've come up with that I want to be a teacher because I want to make the world a better place. I want my little boy to grow up in a better place. And what better start to get on that than in the school system? Everybody goes to school, and there's nothing to do but make the world a better place there. You're teaching manners, you're teaching respect, you're teaching education. That's just where it all begins. You stop bad habits right at first, and they just carry on, and it's just the best place to start to make the world a better place. So I know that sounds real Miss America, want to make the world a better place, but I genuinely do want to make the world a better place. It scares me every day I wake up. My little boy's going to have to live in this crazy world that I do, and I pray about it, and my heart's just really called me to be a teacher. My grandma was a teacher, and she passed away, I think it was 5 or 6 years, I think it was 6, a couple weeks ago, right before I started this job. And she was a teacher and loved education. She loved kids. She was the best grandma ever. And I honestly think that she is a big part of me wanting to be a teacher as well. I saw how much she loved it, and how much it really brought out a different side of her that we all didn't see all the time unless we were in her classroom. And so I really want to honor her and make the world a better place. Can't wait to get this year started.